Alright, so trade recap for today. Terrible day. Terrible hair. What the fuck is this? Anyways, let's get to the charts. I took two trades. I took a really unfortunate long, and then I took a really unfortunate short at the most inopportune times possible. So first, let's zoom out and see what happened today. Let's we can keep the drawing. So I marked out this new week opening gap in case we wanted to continue filling it. We had this 1 hour gap right here, which I also marked. And we had these London highs and these London lows. During Asia, we completely shit the bed. So my bias for today was short. I thought we were just going to continue short. Market opens like right about here. And I'm thinking, okay, my draws are London lows or London highs. One of the two. And I just see this as well. I have this 5-minute gap right here, which I'm like, perfect. This looks like my entry model, like setup. Just push off a 5-minute fair value gap or a 15-minute fair value gap into the lows. So I'm like, okay, perfect. This is one of the shorts that I want to take. Cool. And then for longs, I actually made a mistake here. I didn't really see my entry model, but I'm going to explain why. I took this long, which is really stupid. I took a long. I basically top tick the long, and I wanted to target the London highs. I took it because I saw an immediate rejection of the 5-minute gap of market open, and I thought that maybe we were just going to rally to the London highs and then rip lower because we wanted to fill the new week opening gap. So that's, really unfortunate. I made a mistake where I guess I should have waited for a stronger push up. I took it off the first push because we reacted off a 5-minute gap. Normally I wouldn't be mad about this trade, but in reality, like I really shouldn't have taken this. So it's really unfortunate that this happened. As you can see right here, we open and we push down into this 5-minute gap right here. Then we push all the way up past these highs. So I'm like, okay, we probably want to continue higher now into the London highs. My break evens are all the way up here. Should have been a really easy long, which ended up being the target anyway. And then I'm saying we push up, push down, push down, push down. We push past the fair value gap, past this wick, and I enter on this trade. I actually got a good entry, enter like right around here. My stops were like right about there, and my break even were these like relative equal lows, because I thought that, okay, if we're gonna fake this out, and then inverse this, we're probably gonna go lower. I really don't see us reversing at this point. We also had a 1-minute gap protecting our position. So once I saw this push down, this 1-minute gap formed, and we actually almost, I'm break even at this point because we took out these lows. I almost got stopped out, but my mistake also is once I see this candle completely push all the way in here, I'm like, okay, dude, we're chilling. There's no way we don't take out the London lows, right? What I should have done to protect my position and guarantee profits, I should have moved my stops to this low right here instead of keeping it at break even, because there's really no reason for us to even come up into here before we want to continue lower. This should just be a complete run lower. And unfortunately, you can see I got break even in this trade right here. Price ended up just completely rallying to the London highs. There was another potential trade that if you wanted to take, which would have been this 1-minute gap being respected. We push the 1 minute, like we break the 1-minute structure right up here, and then you can take it to like the middle of this hourly gap, and then your break even should have been at the London high because we could have easily flipped off the London high. Really unfortunate day today. So I lost $660 off of this long. I shouldn't have taken this long, to be honest. So looking at it now is really stupid. I should have just waited for the push down. I should have just waited for my bias to be completed. And I really didn't even see a good long setup. This was just kind of like a speculative setup. Because if we were going to push all the way up here, I could have played the reversal and I would have been completely fine with that. I didn't think we wanted to. I guess I should have recognized that we probably weren't going to just rally to the London highs. We were going to make a big leg down first before continuing higher. So yeah. That's a trade recap for today. Unfortunate day. Hopefully tomorrow is a little better. And I'll see you guys on tomorrow's trade. Peace out.